Welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 10 mind-blowing tricks you can use to live more simply and organize your home from the dollar store. And today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, the online learning community. Without further ado, let's get into the tips. These are tried, tested, and true, and I bet there are some you haven't tried before. So let's jump into it. I don't know a single person who's not on a journey of decluttering, living in a space that's more simple with the things that you use and love. And it can feel so overwhelming to go into the dollar store and try to pick out items to help assist you in that journey. If I had to go in the dollar store right now and help you get organized, there are two products I would leave with. The first are their oversized die cut bins. I love them in the neutral colors. These are great because the surface area is large and they don't have an angled side, so it's much easier to store your items. We use these all over our house. Once the bin is full, I'm forced to declutter and assess what I have and what I'm really using. And the locker bins are another great find that are always in stock in every store. And you can actually use these in drawers as well. In your freezers, they work really well and last for many years, and even to organize kids' snacks. I love rectangular and square bins, and this is a brand new find from the Dollar Tree. Fabric totes, and they are so awesome. They have handles on them. I can't believe they're only $1, and I love the designs on them. Bins like this are really great for organizing projects and things that you access frequently. You could use these for those extra socks in your laundry room. These are also great for storing kids' toys, and they are really durable. Up next are brand new cloth bins and containers. They have so many beautiful patterns out this year. I love the extra large size with this geometric pattern. This is great in a craft room or even to be used as a makeshift dresser. They also have some smaller containers, and the medium size fit toilet paper rolls absolutely perfectly. We also use these in my son's bedroom. And the great thing is it's a no-fold system. We just throw all of his pants right into these bins, and this system has worked so well for years. We also use these in our closet, and I even added some Dollar Tree LED puck lights. Now, they didn't used to have these often in store, but recently they started bringing them back, and this is a product that's available everywhere. They are so bright, they're 80 lumens, and really help light inside spaces so you don't overkeep things that you're not using, and you can see and put away all of your items. We've put these all around the house.
I've got my Dollar Tree bins, and wait for it, wait for it.
Oh, it's beautiful. You're gonna love this next trick. Go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some S-hooks, or you can go to Walmart and get them, and hang your child's pants from the loop off of them. This is such an easy way to store those items and makes putting them away an absolute no-brainer. You definitely have to try it. I love this next trick and have used it for years at our house. Having a spot for your sunglasses and keys right when you walk in the door. And the Dollar Tree just got these chargers. This is by the plates and the cups, and they are so beautiful and very high quality, not thin plastic. They come in gold and silver and are such a great organization tool. Another favorite product of mine are their clear glass jars. And I love the jars that have a singular lid, not in two different pieces like traditional mason jars. These work so well in bathrooms for that clean, open look, and they also work great in pantries. And if you haven't tried this trick, get some inexpensive 2x4 wood, and you can actually stick these in your pantry to create risers. And they fit those ball jars absolutely perfectly. When a system is visual and simple, nothing gets lost. Speaking of visual, I love maximizing vertical space and the Dollar Tree stacking bins. Once these clip together, sometimes they easily fall apart. But if you add a little bit of E6000 or hot glue, this thing isn't going anywhere. We have used these for years and years underneath of our sinks, and it's one of my favorite products. And you notice when you stack it up, you want to stack it back at an angle, and that makes it a lot easier to get into each compartment. The Dollar Tree also always has foam core board. You can find this in the teacher section, and this stuff, did you know, makes amazing drawer dividers. You can cut this down using an X-Acto knife, and if you want to, take Dollar Tree contact paper and cover it to make it look like wood. These work incredibly well in your dresser drawers. And if you want an even simpler solution, you can do the exact same thing with balsa wood. This is just a couple of dollars from the craft store, and I love that it looks and feels like real wood. You just cut it down with an X-Acto knife, hot glue together for instant drawer organization. I said this in my last video. At the beginning of each new year, I pick an intention word that I want to live by and strive for in the new year. And this year, I chose the word freedom, to live lighter, simply, and more easily. And I love finding affordable solutions to do that around my home. And if you're looking to do the same, I love Skillshare, who's today's sponsor. And the great part is you can try this out for completely free. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes taught by experts for people without a lot of time and working with a really small budget. You can take classes on interior design, photography, whatever you're looking to do, and you can work at your own pace. And I'm really liking the personal development courses by Dr. Ali Abdal. He has great classes on productivity and the really cool concept of stoicism. And it's awesome because I can listen right from my phone while doing organizing projects. The full subscription is less than $10 a month, and I learned so much. And if you click the link in my description, you get to try Skillshare Premium absolutely free. So whether you're creative or you're just looking to better yourself, I highly recommend their courses. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below that lets me know you want more content just like this. If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Give a thumbs up. You already knew, you're well trained.